Morning guys, hope you're good. I just had my breakfast and now I'm ready to attack this day. So I'm gonna work out after lunch and gonna visit Singapore. Let's get started. Hi.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all in my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they something.
Nissan! Ah! Thank you! Thank you! Okay guys, so tonight I'm gonna get some drinks at Marina Bay. Just there. Every night they do an amazing light show with music so good, and also it's free. So I'm going there. Oh, bad girl. I remember last year when I went there, oh my god, it's so wet. There were a massive sport training lesson here. It was pretty cool. I don't know if they're still doing that though. It was cool, guys, just check. Trees, beautiful. A little bit of nature in the concrete jungle. But you know, if you compare to Hong Kong, it's well clean and more space. It's not like super messy and naughty like Hong Kong. But I love it. It's just different. It's a different city. We can't really compare. It's pretty cool. The only thing you sweat like a pig here. It's crazy. It's just so fucking humid. Sorry, I said bad word. Japanese girls. Okay guys, I just paid $28 to visit Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. So let's check out Flower Dome. Okay, the first thing you notice, there is the aircon, so which is really good. Happy Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys! That's the thing what I like in Asia. You just pay $28 to see different type of vegetation from Australia, Africa, and Asia, and Asian. To take picture in front of the Merry Christmas tree. Oh my god, actually I just paid $20 to see Christmas tree. What the fuck? Oh my god. We live in a crazy world. Okay, let's go to Cloud Forest now. Well, looks better. Honestly, it's pretty cool guy. I think this giant tree just reminds me of a villain boss in World of Warcraft. Honestly guys, for me it's one of the most beautiful buildings in the world.